Hello and welcome to Onur Patshala. Once again, we are going to discuss about the sounds of the letter T. And it's the episode number 4 today. We are going to discuss about start T. In start T, you want to sound like T, but you can push the air out. You have to start the air in your mouth. For example, cat. You can't say cat. Cat. T উচ্চারণ করার জন্য বাতাসটাকে মুখের বাইরে বের করা যাবে না। উচ্চারণ করতে গিয়ে বাতাসটা থামিয়ে নিতে হবে। cat, bat, rat. You can't say bat. You say bat. Okay, see you soon.